Hey everyone, welcome to another Easy Excel tutorial. This is the second part of Excel charts. I thought I'd change the format of the tutorials that I planned on doing around charts and flip it around a little bit. I thought it would be easier to show you some of the shortcuts and then go into how you can manipulate chart data. So what you have in front of you is what we covered last time, the college mob uh, table. And I also included some of the shortcuts to the right here, so you can take them as notes. The three basic shortcuts I'm going to cover today is Alt F1, F11, and Control Q, which is new to Excel 2013. So let's say you want to create a quick spreadsheet in the same chart, just to pop something up in the spreadsheet here. So what you want to do is you want to select your data, and as it says here, just do Alt F1, right? Alt and function 1 key on your keyboard. It will create a basic 2D column chart on your screen on the same worksheet. I'm saying worksheet, you'll see what I mean in the next shortcut. It's just a basic worksheet. You can manipulate the data later on. If you want, you can edit the type of chart by clicking on the design tab and change chart type. Let's say you don't want to do a 2D column, but you want to do a 3D column here. So this is what it'll look like. Easy, right? Yep, I think so. That's one. So I'm going to delete this. Let's do the next one, which is an entire page chart. Let's say you want your own worksheet, as I have right here. So chart 2, simple charts pi. Let's say you want an entire sheet dedicated to just your charts. If you just select your data and click on F11, this is a shortcut, and it created a whole worksheet just for the Excel chart, for that chart. I shouldn't really say a worksheet because there is no worksheet back here. It's just a full screen view of your chart, which is pretty nice, right? You can go into the design tab and change the chart type to anything you like. By default, when you do a shortcut create, it'll create a 2D column chart, but you can always change it to any way you like and implement color charts, chart styles, etc. And go back here, and the last one I want to do is Control Q. Control Q is the quick analysis chart creator in Excel. This is new in 2013. This option is also here. If you select your data, you'll see a quick analysis little tooltip appear here. It says quick analysis Control Q. So if I'm not selecting this, Control Q is the other way to do it. So I'm doing Control Q, and this shows up. By default, it'll go to formatting. Charts is the second tab here, and here you have more of an option of what you want the chart to look like. Right? It gives you the 5 most common ones: clustered, stacked line graph, clustered column, and line graph. So it gives you a little preview. If you hover over them, it gives you a preview of what the chart would look like. So this is another way of doing it. So let's just do a line graph. This is what it looks like. Easy, right? Yep, I think so. So there you go, the 3 shortcuts that you would need to know to save you a ton of time, where you don't have to really do anything other than select your data and then click a few buttons, and your chart is there. In the next tutorial, I may split it into a couple, where I will show you how to manipulate the data to make it look more presentable, to make your chart look the way you want it to look. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.